I will not take much time. I will first of all introduce if there are any more mentors or judges, please raise your hand so that I am able to pin you. So right now we have Dr. Jasim. He is one of the judges who has joined. I have requested the other judges to join. They told they will be joining. Some of them are traveling back, so they're getting delayed. But for now, I think we have Dr. Jasim. He is Dr. Jasim Al Avadi. He's a digital transformation and AI implementation expert. I would request him to also give a one-line introduction as well, and then a hi to this participants before we start. And then we have Murtaza, and as you all know, he is one of our mentors. And after the quick intro of both of you, I will be giving the mic. We are following the same order as I put on the chat. Moiz is going to go first, and the second person, please keep yourself ready. We are going to have 5 minutes, quick demonstration. I'll be doing the timer. I'll be stopping you in 5 minutes, and then the mentors and judges will give you a question or a feedback, and then we'll move to the next one. As we have a lot of demos, so we will try to keep it short and sweet. And if it is getting extended, we will do it in another day, as I promised all of you. So, Dr. Jasim, you want to just give a quick line, one line of introduction and hello to the community?
Thank you, Mr. Mohammed, first of all, for the invitation. And it's my pleasure to be here with you today among the other experts in AI, and will be keen to see their work, their applications, how they manage to generate those ideas, and how holistically it will benefit the communities and the industrial sector. Myself, I am Dr. Jasim Al-Awadi, and I am, as Mohammed said, I'm a digital transformation strategist and AI implementation expert. With over 2 decades of experience in the telecom sector, both in the terrestrial, GSM, and satellite industries. Recently, around 5-6 years now, I am been involved in the digital transformation program and one of the leading telecom operator here in the United Arab Emirates, where we are looking at transforming the whole company from platforms, customer interactions, applications, experience, customer journeys. This is very brief on what I am and what I have been doing and what I'm doing currently. And we'll be looking forward to see the demos, inshallah.
Thank you, Dr. Jasim. Yeah, Murtaza, you want to give a quick intro to?
Sure. So first of all, thanks, Mohammed. Thanks for inviting. And I think some of the participants might be was there on the yesterday's call. So myself, Murtaza Safi. So I'm a lead solution architect. So basically, my expertise are involved in the architecting and designing the enterprise application, large-scale enterprise application. So that involves both cloud native and the AI implementations as well. So that's my day-to-day routine. So some of you might have been aware. So might be you have been using the systems which I design in and out, because the immigration applications that you might have seen in the Dubai or the Dubai smart gates that have seen in the airport. So it was me and my team who delivered this application earlier. So yeah, thanks again. And I'm really excited to see some amazing demos.
Yes, thanks a lot. And we will start with Moiz. So Moiz, if you can unmute, share your screen, and let me know once you're ready. The timer will be on. Your camera is off. And request everyone who is giving the demo, if you can switch on your cameras, it would be nice so that we can look at you as well. And this session, by the way, this session is getting recorded. So the judges requested me who may not be able to join. We are recording the sessions to give them this as well while they are doing the judging, to get to know you guys better while doing the scoring. Over to you. Your time starts now.
Hello everyone. Good evening. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, we
Yes.
can.
So
Yeah.
I have been working on WanderBuddy, which is an AI-based personal travel agent. So this has been the project I've been working from last 5 to 6 days. I'll just log in and quickly dive into what exactly I've been working on. So this is a user interface which I have developed using Lovable, and it has a modern and intuitive design, which it prepared me a beautiful user interface for that one. So now the WanderBuddy application, you can either give a prompt saying how you are feeling today, and let's say I say I'm feeling exhausted with work, need a getaway for 2 days, and need we can also write what kind of getaway we are looking for. And once we click on generate travel itinerary, it will behind the scenes it will prepare multiple packages from which I can choose like which package I want to select. So it is not just limited to providing the packages, right? So my long-term plan is to have multiple AI agents working together behind the scenes. One of the agent would figure out the mood and intent of the user. It will check like what excites the user most. Another agent would be figuring out flight details or destinations, So it would be like destination provider agent, which would be figuring out which destination would be best for this particular user based on the profile. Along with that, there would be different another agent which would be checking the booking details or accommodation details, commute. So it would be like multiple agents orchestrating behind the scenes different requests from the users, right? So now there are two options here. One is prompt and one is filters. As you can see that it created me a beautiful itinerary of day one, day two, along with budget, costs, and estimations. Along with this, it's also considering the user profile, where user can create his own profile by providing different details like what all what kind of persona it is, like it is an adventure seeker, luxury traveler, what all interests are there, what kind of food. This is not limited to these parameters only. We can ask for food preferences, other details of the user, right? So till now, I have been able to work on this particular features, and I'm planning to expand or scale this application to have more advanced features within it. So what it would do, it would on regular basis would check the user's mood, try to figure out how the user is on daily basis feeling. So let's say there is a 7-day itinerary. On day two, maybe the user is feeling exhausted. So it would create a relaxed, dynamic itinerary or dynamic plan for that particular day. Right. So if I apply a few filters here, let's say 20 to 27, say 20 to 28, I would say here, let's say Austria. My budget would be, let's say, $8,000. How would I like to travel? Let's say solo. I'll do find packages. Now again, behind the scenes, the same things are working out. I also would like to integrate a calling agent behind the scenes, right? So the calling agent would make calls on behalf of the user to either to the drivers, saying that we want to head to the museum at 3 p.m. or maybe it will call hotel staff to check on availability of certain things, right? So it would be a full agentic architecture which I plan to develop with that. So now thank you judges for taking out time for this demo. I'm open to any questions if you guys have. So my demo is done here. I think it's taking some time to prepare the itinerary.
That is fine.
Yeah.
So, Murtaza, Dr. Jasim, you have anything to ask, questions or feedbacks?
I just want to, first of all, Moiz, really nice one. Really like the idea. What are the tech stack that you're planning to use, or what's you're currently considering in this one?
Yes. So currently I have used Python as a backend, right? And front end, as I mentioned, I use Lovable for the front end, where it's a React code. And further to it, I am planning to use for agent-based solution. I'm planning to use LangChain. Along with LangChain, there would be different APIs which I would be using, like Google Places API, TripAdvisor API, or for flights, Amadeus API, Skyscanner API. That kind of stack I'm looking at. Then for real-time calling, I'm planning to use 11 Labs plus Twilio, and maybe some WebSocket-based streaming I will be using, where LLM text could be converted to voice, and then it would be doing a real-time voice callback. Yeah.
So
And
currently, are you using any agentic framework? The reason why I'm asking is the plans that you have it to scale it,
right,
that you are having it. So in order to have, let's say, this many features, you need a
right,
lot more the framework that will have a lot more control. So
correct,
let's
correct.
say if you want to do LangChain, I would suggest you also consider LangGraph in that. LangChain has missing parts that is covered by LangGraph, and LangGraph is a beautiful production-ready framework, agentic framework.
Exactly.
That gives you more control. There are others as well, but since you are a hardcore developer, I guess by seeing your designs and everything,
Yes.
I would suggest you go with more controlled framework like LangGraph, LangChain, or AutoGen.
Okay, AutoGen I hadn't heard before, but yes, that would be. I'll check that
If
out.
you're comfortable with LangChain community, I would suggest LangChain, LangGraph. Not go with Crew.ai or the others. So that is more abstracted there, but LangGraph, you will feel a good control, and the things that you want to do, it will be more easy.
Right. Thank you for this feedback. As I'm learning while I'm developing this thing, so I'll keep that in mind, all these frameworks, and I'll try to make sure that I'm using a particular agentic architecture along the way.
Dr. Jasim,
because if you're talking about if you're talking about orchestration between the multiple agents, then
yes,
it will be easy for you to handle with any agentic framework. Otherwise,
correct.
you can do it with the pydantic approach as well. There you need to involve your pydantic knowledge come into picture, a lot more base level or core level things that will be the best. But in order to save time or these things, LangGraph is also production ready. So there is nothing, it's a test framework.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yes, Dr. Jasim, sorry. Yeah, you were.
Yeah, no issues. Thank you, Moiz, for this demonstration. I really like the application very well. One thing I want to ask you, how you compare your solution with the current solution available in the market. In addition to that, what is your plan to add as a feature moving forward to have a more competitive edge?
Yeah, so as I explained earlier regarding the long-term features which I'm planning, which would be a complete agentic flow. So how it is different from existing products is that this particular application will automatically book tickets for you, book accommodation for you, talk to the commute company, provide you a rental car if you want, talk to them, arrange everything on your behalf. Plus, the USP of this product, which I feel, is that it would continuously check on with the user, like how they are feeling on that particular day or after that particular experience. So if the user is, feeling really good about the experience, if he enjoyed the particular experience, then it would feed that into its memory, and then next time it would suggest activities similar to how user wants it, right? So the other solutions would not understand like what user exactly enjoys or how the user feels after a certain experience. Plus, it would also take care of take care about the overall energy of the user, right? So if today I'm exhausted, or maybe I'm feeling energetic, I would go for a hike. If I'm exhausted, I would like a spa or maybe a walk in the park. So those kind of consideration it will take care of.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Moiz. Now the next we have Shafaq. You are going to speak with two. I don't know which one. So let me unmute you in both. So now we will remove you from the pin. Yeah, Shafaq, can you please unmute? Can you? Yeah.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. So you can share.
I don't know why I'm echoing. Just give me 1 second. Hi, can you hear me now?
Yes, you can share your
Okay.
screen and your time. Just share your screen, then we'll start your time.
All right, I'm gonna share my screen. Just give me 1 second. Can you see my screen?
It is loading. Yes, we can see. Starting your time now. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Hi everyone. Let me start with something familiar. Have you ever looked into the mirror and wondered, oh my god, my skin looks very dull today. Oh my god, am I having a breakout? So naturally, the next step, unlike any other teenager girl, you would probably Google the next best skincare product, or you would Google up products online. So with the current solutions in the market being in-store beauty consultations and apps with generic skincare advice, what's missing is something as simple, fast, and personalized, especially for someone who wants honest feedback without the whole big fuss that you have. That's where the idea of Noor.Ai came. That's exactly what I wanted. Something that's beginner friendly, a skin advisor that asks you to upload your picture, gives you suggestions on real time, and doesn't ask you to log in or download anything. Just a quick analysis and the product links if you want to explore more. So with the process, you start with uploading a simple picture. The model that's trained using Teachable Machine processes it. So I've used TensorFlow and Teachable Machine for it. Step 3 would be like suggesting the skin concern that you have. It gives you live product recommendations, as well as step 4, which is like a web interface to direct links. Yeah, let's get quick to the demo. So I've launched this app using Render. So the first step would be free analysis that I've given. Upload your photo. So I'm going to choose my picture. This is my picture here. And next, I will click on analyzing my skin type. It will take about 2 minutes to load. So it says I have normal skin. So next, I'm going to get my product recommendations. It leads you to a nice, pretty table with direct links to where you can buy each product, as well as it has a live chatbot that you can talk to. So let me just try by asking a silly question of how old do you think I am? Let me type it out. How old do you think I am? And click on send. It will take our time. So it says that it only provides recommendations to skincare concerns. So the next question I would ask it is, what are the deep ingredients in a particular product? Let me click on send. And it would, just like that, it would tell me what are the particular ingredients, how I can use the skincare product. And that makes it super easy for me to use, because as someone who has a normal skin but also has allergic reactions, this is the perfect app that can be used also in stores where people give you advice to skincare, but they're not technically professionals or dermatologists. No, this app is actually an academic project, not
We cannot hear you.
Yeah, Dr. Jasin, you want to go ahead first?
Yeah, unmuted you. Sorry.
Yes.
My internet.
Thank you, Noor, for this demonstration. One thing came to my mind, since you are recommending cosmetic products, and
Yes.
such products are a bit sometimes sensitive to some skins.
Yes.
How accurate your solution and to analyze your skin type and what you need exactly from the picture you have uploaded, and
Okay.
you need to upload a specific type or quality picture to the system to get a more accurate analysis, or how does it work?
Okay, so as I'm a beginner, I've used no-code, low-code platforms. So I've used a preset database I downloaded from Kaggle to train the machine, as well as I use Google's Teachable machine to analyze the pictures. So I would suggest for the best analysis, it's better to upload a picture of yourself with no makeup on, a clear picture of you, and then the Teachable machine on the backend using TensorFlow would analyze your skin type and recommend the skincare products using the database of products I've downloaded again from Kaggle.
Okay. So did you manage to know the accuracy of the outcome?
The accuracy of the phasal analysis, you mean, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So the accuracy score for the machine that I've trained was 70% accuracy.
Okay. And what is your plan moving forward?
Moving forward, I would like to connect with actual dermatologists as well as with people who are specialized in the cosmetic region. So I could probably upscale and collaborate it. My additional feature that I want to add is for people to
I mean from the system picture analysis and prediction.
Okay, as in like what additional features I would like to add? All right, so for additional features, I will probably add like a barcode scanner that scans the ingredients for you and will label a particular product as sensitive, which you can already design preset in the application and have like a download system that's specifically personalized for you, like a personalized app on your phone.
Super. Okay, thank you so much.
Jazakallah khairan.
Murtaza, you want to?
Yeah. I just want to check with Noor. Sorry, Noor is your product. So
yes, my name is Shafaq Mandha. I'm actually a final year student.
Okay, Shafaq. Nice design.
Thank you.
Nice layouts and everything. So as you said, so you are you trained a model, right, with some Kaggle data set on the TensorFlow, and you are testing. You're training on your own models and trying it out. So I would suggest you try. Did you try any LLM?
Okay,
which
so
is like image processing LLMs.
No, at the moment, I
the
haven't tried image processing LLM. This was something that I built under 6 days. So trying out image processing LLMs was initially my next process. So since I am diving into the world of AI, this was just a quick, fun challenge for me of learning on how to start step by step. Currently, the LLM I've implemented is with the chatbot. So I've connected the OpenAI's API to build the chatbot.
Okay. So that's what my recommendation would be. So since you already, so it's a best way to have your own model trained on your own data set. But I will also, I will recommend you to try out some more LLMs as well and check out what's with the same thing, how much accuracy those LLMs are giving to you, what you are getting on this. And these LLMs will help you to scale out the things faster. I'm not advocating anything, but just I'm more advocating towards the local model, but LLM also you can try it out.
All right. Thank you so much for your feedback, Dr. Jasim and Mr. Murtaza. Mr. Arsh, any questions?
I have been observing you, so I will give the judges and the mentors time to speak. Because I always keeps looking at this and giving feedbacks whenever it is required. But
Yes.
only one thing that as your product is good, you have built something and you have something to show. At least you have a wireframe ready. No, it's always the improvements will happen, right? You have to keep thinking of
Yes.
how to improve it with models, with additional features. So keep the momentum going, and great to see this in 6 days.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Now you can stop sharing, and Pooja is next. Where is Pooja? Just give me where is she? 1 second. Pooja, just can you pin? I'm going to pin you. Can you share your screen? Pooja, share your screen, and I've unmuted you. We can hear you. Pooja, can you hear us? We cannot hear you. If you can unmute. Hello? Can anyone hear Pooja, or only it's me? Can you use a mic? Maybe just fix your mic. Get a mic or something. Okay. Who is next? We do you Ashwarya? Are you here in the call? Ashwarya, no. Ashwarya is not ready. Krutika, she said she's going to do it tomorrow. Krutika, are you there? So just till then, Pooja, please set up your mic. Maybe use a headphones or something. I'm giving it to Krutika, and please do test add pin. Yeah, Krutika, go share. Go ahead. Dr. Jasim, I hope you remember Kritika. She was there in the last challenge also. If you remember
Hello, sir.
the Ibn Care, she had made Ibn Care. So now she has.
I remember that.
Yeah. So Kritika, your 5 minutes starts now.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. This time I have come up with another one, which is a Pathforge AI. It is an application which will help technical and non-technical people to improve their resume and to reach their goal in a easier way. Actually, why I built this is mainly to overcome the issues what I face. It's a one-stop solution where it has where you can upload your resume and it will analyze the resume. I have built a machine learning. I have used machine learning algorithm XGBoost here to predict the strength alone. I wanted to try. So a small portion I have used this machine learning algorithm to predict the strength. How I did it is I have used the Kaggle dataset from I downloaded the Kaggle dataset. It was full with technical roles only. So I did I curated other data set so I can use it for the diverse roles. I integrated both of them, both the data sets, and I created a final resume data set, and I achieved the accuracy of 92% here, and I vectorized the text using TF-IDF, and that gives you the strength of the resume, and other things and all. I have used GPT-4o LLM, and here one more thing for LinkedIn enhancing the ideas. So before that, I would just drop the file so that it will start processing. So I'm using one resume here. So it is uploaded, and I'm just analyzing my resume. So it started analyzing. It will show the resume strength. For this portion, I have used the machine learning algorithm, and it will show the predicted job role. For this resume, for this candidate, the job role will be sales executive, and it will also provide the feedback, like what else improvement the person can do in his resume. This kind of suggestions will be provided. This is I have done it using the GPT-4 only. And other thing, like I have provided the missing keywords and certification, what all the person can try to improvise his career, and the free courses, if they are like if they want, they can do this free courses and improve their skills. And in LinkedIn Enhancer, what I've done is the user can use their own about me here, or the same here. If we use the improve my LinkedIn presence, it will take the same resume from the resume, and it will provide you the suggestion. For here, I have used a small, what I've learned, the RAG technology I've tried here. Like I curated a data set which will have all the, for each role, it will provide you the, like this, it will suggest 3 LinkedIn post ideas. Like what all the, according to the role, it will provide the post ideas and the engagement tips and improvised about me. These 3 things, using RAG, I've tried this also here. So my data set will, according to the role, it will provide the skills and what all it can suggest. The post ideas it will suggest. So this is also one kind of thing I have done here for LinkedIn enhancement. And if the user want, he can download the enhanced resume here and get his enhanced resume also. With all the suggestion, what it has suggested, it will provide you the enhanced resume. And another tab, what I have here is the job fit and role explore. For example, the same user, if he wants, same here, he can, what he can do is, he can explore the job roles. So I have given the real link of Indeed. I couldn't scrape it from, scrape the data from LinkedIn. I faced some regional issues, and it also asked for APIs. So I tried with LinkedIn, Indeed. So it will provide you the real job roles from Indeed. You can see it from here. Give me a minute. It is very... So real sales role it will provide, and it will also suggest the suggested roles. Based on this role, we can also try it from LinkedIn or Bait or from wherever they want. And what they is, it's like normal thing. The job description, if they paste it for this particular resume, it will also provide you how much like a normal the ATS score and what all improvisation they can do it here, and everything it will provide you. In similar way, I have done the tailored resume also. According to the job description, it will enhance the user's resume, and it will provide a good resume which will give better score for the next time. So what all suggestions they can improve, everything it will be here. And if they want, they can download the tailored resume also. I have another option here, like the chat with career agent. It is like a chat bot. The user can talk about their like their queries, like, hi, how can I...
It's 6 minutes. You have how much?
Okay,
just
sir.
quickly just wrap up.
Like, hi, if I say, it will provide you the other things. Like it is a normal chat bot, but it answers only for career related queries. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And if anyone is having any queries, please.
Yes. So who wants to go first? Murtaza? I will just first Murtaza, and then quickly, and then Dr. Jasim.
Kritika, very nice one. It's you have included a lot of features in this one.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. You're learning a lot on this one, I guess. So, so you mentioned the embeddings that you are using TF-IDF. So, and the document parsing. What document parsings are you using it? So let's say if I have the PDF and everything.
Here I used PYMUDF, the FITS document parser I have used, sir.
Okay. So You can so in order to improve or enhance the embeddings and the parsing, try out a couple of different parsers. So I
Yes,
would
sir. Sure,
suggest
sir.
try out the Dockling as well. I will paste the link shortly on the chat. And
Okay.
also, instead of TF-IDF embeddings, so there are many advanced embeddings out there now. So
Okay, sir.
LLM-based embeddings or other embeddings are out there. So go with the advanced embedding. So what advanced embeddings will do it will extract out a more relevant context so that when you will do the cosine similarity matching, your relevant results will be more accurate. So
Okay,
go
sir.
with those like word to vec based, word to vec or average word to vec based models, because
Sure.
IDF is good, but it's old technology now.
I understand, sir.
So
Sure, sir.
so go with it's a nice one. So you had many features included. So
Thank you,
try
sir.
to improvise more on this one, and it's good. Thank you.
Sure, sir. The user interface, I'm trying to improvise, but still I'm facing few issues. I will do my best, sir. Thank you.
No worries. Sure. Thanks.
Dr. Jasim.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I am just waiting for this application to be public. Really,
Thank you, sir.
you touched the current users' need, what they are looking for. Currently, users, they are moving into so many different applications or AI tool to have such an outcome, but you have gathered them all in one place. And
Yes.
furthermore, thank you, and really I like the outcome, and
Sure.
no further comments. Only for
Thank
the
you,
UI
sir.
UX that you have mentioned, and really a brilliant work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the feedback. Sir, I would like to get your feedback also, sir.
I will, yes. As I already mentioned you on the chat, the functionality is good. Fix the UI UX. I have given you 7-8 points.
Sure,
Logo,
sir.
add the logo and all those things, and at least the color and everything. So follow that.
Sure, sir. I
So,
will, sir.
see, I'm always in touch with you guys. I'm trying to get external mentors and so get their feedbacks. I'm always there
Sure,
for
sir.
so don't worry about that. We will
Sure, sir.
get to the next one. Pooja, I wanted you to also
Thank you, sir.
speak. Yeah, thanks a lot, Krutika. And Pooja, just try once more.
Hello, can you hear
Yeah,
me
now
now?
we can hear you. Now you can share
Okay.
your screen.
Yeah.
And so let me just remove the pin of Kritika and yes. So
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Pooja. I'm currently doing my AI residency with decoding data science. And I'm just a beginner. I just started learning about AI since 2 months. So I have built a very simple app. It's mainly used for kids and teens to generate the stories based on their age and the themes. So I used Gradio as user interface, and I deployed it in Hugging Face, and backend is Python. So let's check out the kids tab. So in this tab, you have to select the age and the theme. Tone is basically feeling of the story, and the character name. And the number of words. So it will generate the story. I have connected with the GPT 3.5 Turbo. So it will give the theme-based YouTube link. So it's, yeah. And a few basic features I added. I have added this voice narration. And PDF for the downloading. And there's a clear button. And let's move to the teens tab. In this tab, I have used RAG retrieval augmented generation. I used a preloaded template for the theme here. So it's the same. it will generate the story. And you can edit the story and you can upload your own template, but the template should be in a particular format. And there's an option to load the default template where you can edit and generate the story. And it will generate based on your input. And my stories is basically, it saves the stories, whatever you have generated so far. I have not used any DB here. It's just a JSON file to store the stories. So you can edit the story and regenerate again from here based on tone and the length. Okay, this is it. It can be used by teachers, kids, and the students to generate the fun and short creative stories. So, and I'm thinking to include a DB, and I tried integrating with 11 labs for the voice modulation, but it was not successful, and even the Firebase. So I'll try doing all these experiments further. Okay, I would love to hear your feedback.
First, Dr. Jasim, then Murtaza.
Yeah, thank you so much for this demo. As you said that you are targeting school or education institutes.
Yes, yes.
What will be further feature that you need to include to enhance your application further compared with OpenAI, for example?
Yeah, I wanted to include a large database. Right now, it's my own data set I have used here, so that I can generate more related creative stories based on their input, based on their requirement.
Okay, and do you consider something like a culture boundaries story generation as well?
Yes, I do consider if I have the database in place.
Good. Okay, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Murtaza. Over.
Yeah, thanks, Pooja. Nice creative idea. I do have only a couple of suggestions for you, because this is what I think I get also feedback from the school, from my kids, like when they do it. Try to include the AI generated images, because when you teach a story or will tell a story, images, when the images comes with the story, it gives another level of relevance in that story. People or the kids feel connected. Try with the story, generate some images, some videos even. So there are many LLMs out there who are support a good AI generated videos. But one thing, try to make sure that whatever you are generating it, try to have some guardrails around it, some boundaries around it. I think that's what Mr. Jasim was referring to. So because it's focused for the kids, so it shouldn't go and generate something which is not relevant for the kids. So always keep this in mind for the student.
I have used LangChain chat prompt for the structure, like prompts based on the age and theme. So to train the LLM.
You can, but also you need to create a boundary around it, some guardrails on that one, that we call it, so that the LLMs or your agent doesn't generate anything beyond your boundaries, because your boundary is for kids. Let's say teenage kids, right? So
Yes.
less than 12 or something. So
Yes.
content should be appropriate according to that. So there are many options available, but yeah, try to consider those as well. Then it's a very nice creative idea. I like it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, and just what both of them are saying, just to test it out. You can do some testing just to make sure that it is not giving something that is inappropriate, and
Okay.
make notes of that. Do some extreme test cases just for
Okay.
checking it, because as both of them said, you have to be very careful when you are focusing on this.
Okay.
Okay, so thanks a lot, Pooja,
Okay.
and
Yes.
very
Yes.
good job. So Pooja,
Thank you,
actually,
sir.
just to tell, Pooja has learnt everything, and in the last 2 months, she has done everything, and I'm very proud of her achievements. And she was little hesitant to present, but you have built something very nice, right? This is something amazing you have, and I'm sure you're going to add pictures, voices, and everything in the future. But at least you have a framework in place, and keep doing this. That is the only way you will learn. So that is my suggestion
Thank
to
you so much,
everyone.
sir.
So
Thank
this
you.
is the reason why we are doing this application challenge, so that nowadays it's not
Yeah,
that
it has
tough
been a
to,
great opportunity.
yeah, it's not that tough to build. It is just that you need to give time, and this this 8-day pressure situation really pushes people to do something and present it. So thanks a lot, and now we will move to Riva.
Thank you, sir.
Riva, I have added you to pin. If you want to unmute, you have a short presentation. Uh, can you unmute?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, in that case, I'll just get right to it. Give me a second. I'm opening up my Canva link.
Okay. Till then, I just want to, from the people who are there, Mehali, your name is there, but I'm not able to find you. Just ping in the chat. Not Menhali, Menahil. Menahil ClearLabel. Just put in the chat hello, so that you are next. I'm not able to locate you. And after that, Adam Ahmed. Yeah, Riva, you can share your screen.
Okay, yeah, I'll share my screen right now. Let me just see. Can you see what I'm looking at right now?
Career Buddy.
Yes. Okay.
Can
In
make
that
it
case,
full screen.
I'll...
Make it full screen, so
Okay,
that.
okay, I'll do that right now. Present. So, okay, are you able to see? I hope
Yes.
there's not too much technical difficulties, like even at the starting. Okay, I'll start right now. Hi, I'm Riva Pereira and this is Career Buddy, your AI-powered career planner. Built for students and early professionals, it helps you stop feeling overwhelmed and start moving forward with structure, motivation, and clarity. What's the problem? Everyone tells you to build your LinkedIn, take a course, get experience. Well, nobody tells you where to start or how to stay consistent. Many freshers, day after day, always come to me asking the same questions over and over again. So, this is for them. Career Buddy solves that problem by giving you a weekly plan tailored to your goals and makes sure you stay on track. It's also inspired by my friend Hiba Anwar. She is a very important person in my life, and she usually breaks down her tasks in a very fun way. You'll get to see it soon. So there is a question I bet all judges would be asking. How? Well, there really is no one way to solve this problem, right? Is there? Because there's so many jobs out there. How can one person do everything? Well, it's a lucky thing I made this I made this solution very dynamic. So there's like 3 things you need to remember here. What it does, it picks a career goal. You pick a career goal. It builds a 4 to 6 roadmap, a 4 to 6 week roadmap using AI and live web search, and then it breaks that into tasks that can like track progress and unlock rewards. Then you can as you can see over here in the PPT, you can also fix up your LinkedIn and GitHub over here with decoding data sciences advice with just a click of a URL. It's a lightweight app with no logins, no installs, simply choosing a name and just getting right into it. How does it work? I bet that's one of the questions. Oh wait, you guys would be asking me. There's 5 things to keep in mind. These CareerBuddy uses 5 things, which is wrapped up and made into a bit of a really big Python sandwich. It's scalable and built with real student needs in mind. It uses GPT-4o for smart plan creation, Tavily for live course and roadmap search, Flan T5 for fast summarization, Pinecone for memory, and most importantly, LandGraph agents to manage flow. Well, with little more to say right now, I'll leave you all with one quote on why CareerBuddy will beat the products in the market right now. A jack of trade, master of none, though oftentimes better than a master of one. Thank you. I'll just stop. Wait, hold up. Let me just see if I can. Okay, yeah. I'll go to my demo right now. If anyone can tell me how much time do I have left?
You have 2 minutes.
Okay, perfect. In that case, as you can see here, this is my welcome tab. You could easily save a nickname and recall your data. These are for previous users. And it's a coffee badge, just since I can. Over here, as you can see, it's very clean in UX UI design, I hope. And it actually uses an agentic button over here. At least I tried making one. Since I wanted it to go from RAG to Tavily to GPT-4 or static message, just to make sure users won't be left with nothing. So I put a career goal UX UI designer here in honor of my friend, and it would show action, resource, milestone, and basically a general plan to get to that goal. It gives you courses from Google, Code Academy and different big areas, and then it breaks it into some tasks or over here. But the real plan is basically taking whatever course is here, moving here, and putting it over here. Then it gets to memos direction. It takes whatever the course is here and whatever tasks the plan makes and makes it more actionable in a way. I know it's a bit of a hassle reading right now, but I'm sure it'll get better in the future. Okay, in memo, this is the main thing here. You can add rest of tasks for your week. For example, you want to, I don't know, walk your dog today or something else. You want to read a good book. You will put your duration of hours here, how difficult a task is, and tag it. Is it critical, important, or optional? The reason why is because it's actually rated differently per task. And you could also add in your own rewards. I would get a boba tea. If I had a boba tea emoji, I'd put it here also. And I would look at my different things I need to do this week. This is a big list, I know. But you can just do how much you can do. So let's just say I chose a course. I finished, I applied my learning and I followed a course guideline. Let's just say that's how much I did this week, okay? Then in rewards, I'd go over here. I'd add my reward in. You can see it here. And you can put claim reward. Oh, okay. But if you can see over here, you'll get a reward unlocked. And it's actually based on a priority system here. So the more tasks you do, the more rewards you unlock. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to quickly go to the next one. This is my LinkedIn analyzer, my LinkedIn profile analyzer. I feel usually students ask me about this, so I figure it's very useful. It uses Apify to be able to scrape LinkedIn profiles by click of URL and check it here. But in case people are uncomfortable with LinkedIn scraping, there's also this one over here, which is manual work. And then finally, GitHub. I remember all that Muhammad Arshad told me about GitHub and how to do it well. And I just wanted to look at Ishan's profile and my own and see what would a common ground over there. So just imagine, this is my GitHub profile, and it'll show you optimization tips here, and also little things for Isham, so you can people come here also. But anyways, this is CareerBuddy. Thank you for letting me talk about it. It's a passion project of mine.
Thank you, Dr. Jasim. You have any questions, feedbacks? Unmute.
I will let the floor for Murtaza to start.
Okay, Murtaza.
Thank you. Hi, Riva. Thanks. Nice
Oh, hi.
presentation. I didn't get, so I got your, because I lost the last bit. So
Oh.
why you have that GitHub and LinkedIn associated with the CareerBuddy? Because the CareerBuddy, so from the starting presentation, I thought that it's for task planning, but at the later stage, then I lost the plot that you had is having connected LinkedIn and this GitHub. So what exactly are you trying to achieve? I lost a little bit on that one actually.
Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry if I like lost track over that. I think I was just losing time and I just got like, I felt a bit rushed even though no one was rushing me. I just wanted to make sure other contestants had like enough time. Basically, all of it was actually taught about for a long time for me. That most people would only ask me like 4 or 5 questions. Number 1, how to do your GitHub? Number 2, how to do your LinkedIn? And number 3, how do you prioritize these tasks while you're doing a university, while you're doing a part-time job, or while you're doing all these things? I figured I'll try making like a small hub and like at least give everyone like a small springboard from these high schoolers becoming college students. So most of these people won't know about LinkedIn or GitHub, or most of these people are a bit confused about how to manage tasks. So I think that's where it would come from.
Okay. So I think I have one suggestion for you on this case. So I think you need to work on the flow on this one. So the better the flow will be for those beginners, because right now the flow felt confusing. Or
Yeah,
I think, or might be in the rush, I didn't got it completely. So probably you need to have a very simpler flows for beginners to go into a step-by-step approach, because they might know LinkedIn and GitHub, but you need to have a step approach towards it, that it will be more easy to navigate through the stuff. I think your tech stack looks fine, as you mentioned, but yeah, so this is the only suggestion that I have for you.
Thank you so much. Like I'll definitely keep that in mind and do it better.
Thank you.
Dr. Jasim.
Yeah, thank you for the presentation. The same from my side. I thought that the solution something, but I ended up linked to LinkedIn and Task Planner. What I thought of the application is that it would support me if I have an issue in my career. My career journey, and the solution or the application will advise me on how to take me to the right path and taking me off the issues that I am facing. My suggestion is to have more narrow focus on the ideation of the application. And then further you can build on. Very good work initially, and what I think it's to rethink of the ideation further more better. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now we have Adam. So can we just do for 15 more minutes? We have 3 more. So if I will just request Adam, you can share your screen, and we cannot hear you. Adam?
Yes, sir. I'm just opening up my presentation.
Sure. So I think Adam is from school. Which standard are you? Which class are you, Adam? He's I think he's one of the youngest participants. Where he went? Okay. Oh, Adam is here. Okay, 1 second. Add pin. Okay, you can unmute. So which class are you? I am no, Arsh is okay. Arsh, Afrin is 13. Adam, what about you? Which class?
I'm 12 actually.
You are 12. So I say he's one of the youngest. One of the youngest
Yeah.
participants. So welcome, Adam. Now you can share your screen, and your time will start once you share your screen. So we recommend challenges for even for mid-level schools as well, right? Which standard are you? Anand?
I'm actually in grade 7.
Grade 7, yeah. Amazing. So this is nice.
Sir,
So
can you see my screen?
yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, I'll just present.
Oh, this is so cool. Your time
So,
starts
good
now.
morning, everyone. My name is Adam Ahmed. I'm from India. So, this is Futureedu.ai, a learning app tailored for students and teachers all over the world. It is AI powered. So what is Futureedu AI? Futureedu AI is a learning application and a learning tool for students and teachers all over the world. For example, it has many features like an AI brainstormer for teachers to generate lesson plans and exam marking for teachers to easily mark exams and personalized AI tutors for students with a create your own AI functionality where the students can make their own AI for their own subject, for their own grade level, age, etc. And it also has interactive educational games. Now, these are some challenges faced by students in learning. So engagement is one of the challenges. They often feel bored or overwhelmed by content, and one size fits all classrooms aren't just working anymore. They need lots of. They have limited access to quality materials, and their feedback is not very personalized. As teachers also have many students to deal with. Some challenges faced by the teachers are time constraint because they have lots of classes to generate lessons from, individual attention because they aren't able to get the tracking progress of many students, and they also need affordable solutions from schools. So the solution we give is a AI brainstormer, AI exam marking, which has OCR and AI with Gemini. I will explain it a bit later while demonstrating. Personalized AI tutors, and it is accessible everywhere with because it is just web based. So this is our vision to become the industry leader to tailor education for millions of students regarding the location, to empower teachers and help them teach students effectively and global access. So I'll just demonstrate Futureedu AI for you. So now if I go to futureeduai.com, this is my website. So basically this website contains about Futureedu AI, the premium plan, the free plan, the key features which are our flagship features. Now, if we just go to the quick student demo, or so would you like to log in and explore?
You can show whatever you feel is nice for the judges to look at.
Okay, so maybe we can just just log in and explore. Now, if we do the student login, I already have my account, so I can just quickly log in. It says login successful. Now it will open up my student website. I've actually hosted this on glitch.com, which also takes some time to load. Okay, so this is my app. Now this is our dashboard over here, which will then which keeps track of our XP, our recent activities in these games, and it also makes our level and streak to increase competitiveness in students, so that they get more intrigued to try to like come on the app again and again, also increasing their intelligence. Now this is a AI tutor. So now we can, okay, so if I take science, name, I'll take my name, age 12, grade 7, and my goals. So I want to learn let's do seed germination today. Please help me achieve this goal. Now I click on the create AI. So I got the AI tutor. I say, hello, please make notes for me. Now it will, in the backend, take the OpenAI API key, take out the, in the prompt, it will take the information we made in the AI tutor and it will generate an outcome. Hello, Adam. I'm excited to help you learn about seed germination. So now it has completely given me notes as I have asked him using this information. If you would like to see the backend code, I could also show it to you. Now this is this project. So you can see over here, I have used different files. I have used basically HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to code my application. Now over here, if you go to the server.js, we can see my OpenAI API key up there and the system role. So it is a friendly AI tutor. It will personalize its replies. And we also tell it to, I think it was in the main.js. We basically give it the information from here in the personalization tab. It will get the information, it will generate the outcome, and then it will basically get a personalized outcome. Now, if we go to the teacher one, I'll just go to the quick demo. The teacher one is actually still in a progress. I am thinking of adding some more features inside the teacher version. Right now, I have completed the AI brainstormer lesson generator. Now, for example, I take my curriculum as British. Like I am a teacher right now. So I am about to teach grade 9. My approximately number of students can be 24 and the average age of the students can be 14. I save my settings and then I go to the AI generator. Hello, generate lesson activities on the subject. Let's take math. For multiplication. Now I will click on generate ideas. It will get the information from the, it will go to the OpenAI API key and then it will give us the information. So this basically gives us the lesson plans. We get the warm-up activity, introduction, main activity, application activity. So basically this is always new, always better and always more personalized. And I'm open to any questions if anybody has
First of
any.
all, Adam, did you code all this by yourself or you used AI to do it and how much time it took? This is
I did use AI to do the coding, and it took me in these 7 to 8 in these 6 to 7 days I have completely prepared my web page and my teacher experience, but the API key and the student interface I have made a few weeks ago as part of a previous school project.
amazing. This is like a full real business. But before I give my comments, but first of all, it's very inspirational. So you use JavaScript. You do not use any Python. You use JavaScript and these LLMs, OpenAI to do all these tasks that are there, right?
Yes,
What I
sir.
understand. So now, first of all, I will give Dr. Jasem first to you. Then I will because this is very inspiring. He is one of the youngest person in our challenge. The last one, he was in grade 8. So for me, this is very inspiring. So first, Dr. Jasem, you want to say something?
He is very inspiring and brilliant.
Thank you.
Really, we are. Thank you for this application. Really, even if I'm thinking of it from what is required here in the United Arab Emirates, especially teachers would like to have such solution coming from the next academic year moving forward, because now AI subject is very it's compulsory in the school curriculums, and teachers would really benefit from such application. As Mr. Mohammed said, it's very complete. It's a complete business case and solution, ready to go. But one question, Adam, what do you feel that it's still missing to enhance the application further?
So I'll just show you all in the teacher mode. I have still not completed the AI exam marking. I have prepared the UI, but the backend is not completely ready yet. I am actively working on it, and by tomorrow, inshallah, it will be completely finished.
Okay.
And then I am also thinking of putting a dashboards or a quick tools widget with where teachers can create quick quizzes and can quickly generate like surprise tests in class. And this idea for the teacher mode, I have actually asked my teachers about it, getting their feedback and building on it more.
So,
okay. Do you, sorry.
No, go ahead, Dr. Jasim.
Yeah.
You continue.
Okay. Do you have in mind to add an agentic AI to it, especially for the generated ideas, to have the agentic AI enhance further and generate an module based on the topic suggested?
So what I have done is that I have taken an OpenAI API key and I have made it like in the backend. I have told like I take the user's inputs, I store it, and then I send it to the AI, which then generates the outcome.
Good.
Yeah,
Thank you, Adam.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, in the future, he's just using prompt engineering. In the future, he will learn RAG, agentic AI. I'm sure he will do it because now at least he has built this much. One more thing I wanted to ask, Adam. So you are using Glitch for everything, right? For the database, for the username, for all the tables that are getting stored.
So the database is actually it is stored locally. Because of glitches, like it doesn't have a very high level of node, which is JavaScript. So I'm not able to integrate Firebase inside.
Okay.
Because that would then take the upgraded version, and Glitch is very good for free hosting online.
Yes. And are you from GEMS by any chance?
Yes.
Yes. So GEMS students are like, we are partners with GEMS, and we are supporting them with these challenges and everything. And their students are very bright. If you, Jishnu was also one here. I think he has not joined. He is with our community from grade 9. And he has just completed his 12th. So since start, he was part of our community, and he was like one of the ambassadors of our community. He is from GEMS. He just completed his 12th just this year, a few months back, and this is amazing. And now, Murtaza, no, sorry, I'm a little excited by this presentation. So I was.
For me, I was waiting.
For me, it was a surprise because Adam was not that much. You were not interacting so much in the WhatsApp group, not like the others. So I could not know your real potential, but this is amazing. And if any support, anything that you require, please reach out to Murtaza, me, Dr. Jasim. Yeah, first, okay, go ahead. First, you go ahead, Murtaza.
Amazing, Adam. So such a brilliant work at your age. What you're doing is, believe me, not many experienced professionals are able to do. So amazing work. Keep it up. And currently, I'm showing my daughter is sitting next to me. I'm showing your work to her as well. She's also in grade 4th, so she's also seeing your work. Amazing work. Keep it up. Keep up the good work, and inshallah you will do much better on this one. I don't have any comments for you. You're doing much good, and you will learn, I'm sure, many more things as you will progress forward.
Thank you, sir.
So your brand is Future Edu. You
Yes.
did not get the domain name Futureedu.ai. It was very
No,
expensive.
actually it was already taken. So I have taken futureeduai.com.
Okay.
Nice.
It is, but it is okay. It is Future and DUA together. So it is okay. So there, okay, it's nice. It's very nice, but it's an amazing concept. And reach out to me, and I will also maybe give you further improvements, as Dr. Jasim mentioned, right? About RAG, about because right now what is just one quick feedback, because I work with a lot of schools, is right now you are doing an amazing job with prompt engineering, but you need to connect some local data of the CBSE board information, so that when the answer comes, it does not come from the LLM, but it comes from this CBSE curriculum or IB curriculum. So you need to think about how to use upload some local data that is of these books. So the answer that is going to come, like these lesson plans and all those things, will not come from any specific the language. It will come very specific to the board, like is it CBSE board, or is it IB board, or is it any other board. So those things you need to little bit refine in the future updates, version 0.2 or something in the later half. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. I will just, I know it is too late, but Arsh was waiting for a long time. Arsh, you want to, he's also, I
Yes.
think, in grade 12. Arsh, you are in which grade?
I'm in year 8, grade 7.
Oh, okay. Okay, now you can just quickly
Yes.
share your screen. I think, Adam, you can stop sharing. Wait 1 second. Stop part. Yeah, you can share your screen, and then, where are you?
Good evening, esteemed judges. My name is Irfan from grade 7, and I present to you EcoTrack. So before I show you what EcoTrack is, before I show you what really EcoTrack is in its app form, I would like to explain you what EcoTrack really is. So EcoTrack is a climate change and global warming app designed to stop it. So it is innovative and AI-powered gamified carbon footprint tracker designed to bridge the gap between climate awareness and impactful action. Climate change and global warming are undeniable threats
Arsh,
to our
sorry, are you
planet's
sharing your
future.
screen? We cannot see your screen. Maybe we.
Yes, I'll share it for the app.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
So, climate change and global warming are undeniable threats to our planet's future. Yet, despite widespread knowledge, real change remains elusive. EcoTrack tackles this challenge by transforming everyday choices into clear, measurable impact, making sustainability personal, engaging, and rewarding. Users simply log their daily activities from transport and energy consumption to dietary habits, and EcoTrack instantly calculates their carbon footprint using globally verified emission data and AI. What sets EcoTrack apart is its cutting-edge AI engine that predictively analyzes users' behavior to proactively suggest greener alternatives before high emissions or actions occurs, effectively serving as a personal eco-coach. It delivers personalized eco missions and challenges, tailored dynamically to each user's lifestyle, location, and progress, keeping engagement and effectiveness high. It employs natural language processing for seamless conversational interaction. Users can log activities and receive tailored advice through intuitive chat, leverages advanced data analytics to monitor progress, adapt challenges, and provide real-time feedback that motivates sustained positive change. Built with scalable Flutter front end and a robust Firebase backend, EcoTrack delivers a smooth, secure, and responsive experience across devices and geographies. Importantly, EcoTrack aligns directly with the United Nations Sustainability Development Goals, known as SDG. The types of SDGs are SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, SDG 12, Responsible Consumptions and Production, and SDG 13, Climate Action. This ensures our app supports not only individual users, but also broader national and global sustainability agendas, including the UAE's ambitious climate targets. Looking forward, EcoTrack aims to partner with leading NGOs, educational institutes, and government agencies to embed location-specific eco-challenges, real-world rewards like eco-coins, redeemable for tree planting and discounts, and community competitions that inspire collective climate leadership. So with this information, I would like to present my app now, which I've built over the time span of 2 weeks. So here we go. This is EcoTrack. So first we come here to the splash screen, which is the logo called EcoTrack. We move on further to the introduction, which is the onboarding screen. It says, welcome to EcoTrack. Take your first step towards the greener tomorrow. When I click continue, it gives another small summary about it. Track and reduce emissions, smart insights to help you live more sustainably. Inspire change. It's not just an app, it's a movement. Influence others and become an eco hero. So when you click get started, I'll go up with an account which I already made. So Arsh, sign up. So it directs me to my app. So this is the first page, which is the personal dashboard out of the many features. So all these features have an aspect in in global warming and climate change. So all of these features have their separate help for users to understand. So if we go here to the personal dashboard, here we have the name, eco level and green points, which I have currently earned as I've used the app, badges earned, sustainability timeline, carbon stats, achievements, and community impact. So the currently it's for my city, it's built for my city. So third in Sharjah and global rank 57 out of 5,200. Here we have the My Eco logbook, settings and preferences. This is what currently I have done. So now here comes where AI is added into it. The carbon calculator. So it chooses the emission standard. So how much carbon dioxide we are releasing into the air. So let's choose UAE. And for now, these are the 4 car models done inside. So let's go with Nissan Patrol. So example, from here to school, I'm traveling 34 kilometers. So when it clicks calculate emissions, the AI takes data from outside, calculates it completely and gives us the total here. UAE standard, the Nissan, this is the standard for Nissan Patrol, and the emission is 10.88 kg of carbon dioxide. It then gives us the eco impact equivalence and emission weight legend in case if you think it's wrong, which it isn't. So it's been accurately checked, and a tip based on your given data. So we can also test it with Toyota Corolla example. So it gives us the amount of released carbon dioxide as per the data given. So here we have eco-friendly habit suggestions, which we can add. So EcoTrack isn't supposed to give you burden, but to make you add new things as in your daily lives to help our world become more friendly, more eco-friendly. So if we can see, suggest a new habit, it gives us switch to a green energy plan. So if we do it, we can click a mark habit as completed and gives us a streak and eco points to make it more interactive and competitive, and it gives us another tip down: switch off lights when not used to save energy. Now let's move on to EarthScope. So this is based on AI. It's always refreshing as per you when you join in the app. So currently the conditions are global temperature rise 1.5 Celsius above pre-industrial levels, the atmospheric level, carbon dioxide level, sea level rise, Arctic loss, and global forest loss. So based on what you log, which there is in the future and the other features, it gives us our personal impact on carbon dioxide reduction and how close we are to 1.5 Celsius in the rise. So we can refresh it and AI will again go through it and give us the proper data again. And we have some fun facts and insights so people can understand more in a more easier way. We move on to countdowns, also powered by AI. So the net zero by 2050, 1.5 Celsius global warming limit, and the global plastic treaty, which UN aims to finalize the global plastic treaties by the end of 2025. We have the climate fun facts here for people to understand more. We then move on to My Green City. So currently this is for
Arsh,
Sharjah.
I think, see, we're already 8 minutes. I think it's a very late
No,
for the
just a
judges.
minute. It will. I'll just end it quickly. Just a minute. So here we have here we have Sharjah's whole map and everything. Carbon bytes, which tells us basically how much are you reducing from the air, estimated by AI, climate action, and recyclo, which is another important part of climate change in the 3 Rs. So we can mark as done, and it gives us a new fun fact based on what we do in our missions. We can log the recycles. We can find centers near us, which it gives us here. We can take a quiz, recycling tips, progress diary, and weekly goals. We have future forecast. This is where AI is currently giving us new data and everything. Eco quiz, it gives us quizzes. Eco Quest, this is everything you have completed and your level. Eco AI, the chat bot which you can use to chat with it and understand more, and where you can give us feedback here.
Thank
So
you.
this is the app.
First, Dr. Jasim, yeah, I think we are just this is you're in grade 7 or 8. I got confused. You said grade 8.
Grade 7.
Okay, grade 7, and he's also in, both of you are in grade 7. You are 13.
Yeah, we
He
are
is
in
12.
the same school also. Same school, same class.
But you are okay. Cool. That's amazing. Which gems, by the way? I just want to know which gem.
Gems Cambridge.
Cambridge. Amazing. Now I will give Dr. Jasim. You have any questions, feedback? This is I have many, but first you guys ask, then I will get in touch with him one-on-one.
Thank you, Irfan, for this application and very nice look and feel.
Thank you.
Only one question from my side. Who are the best user fit for your application?
So my user targets everyone. Why? Because EcoTrack depends on every single individual. We are all responsible for the health of our planet, because every single one of us has the consequences of what we do. So example, if you're driving for too long and we don't know the consequences, that's where we calculated it. So it can make us, this app can help us understand what we are doing wrong. How can we improve that? That's what this app targets. Every single individual.
But any organization from the industrial sector would benefit them?
As of now, I would like to collaborate with climate scientists, and since my future, I want to become a meteorologist. So this app has is also one of the parts, which because meteorology also works with the climate scientists, because based on what happens in the earth, what we do, it also affects the meteorological database and everything. So this is also helping one way, and my future is to actually work with them to help me publish it. So my plan for now is to publish it by July, as this is already an app, but just to show on the laptop. Currently it's an app for mobile, which is already in perfect testing and it's working amazing. So for laptop, currently it's on web and will soon be published by July with adding more AI features.
Thank you, Irfan. Bright future, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Amazing.
I will reach out one-to-one because I have a lot of things to tell you, but I want Murtaza's feedback, and then we will wind up.
Thanks, Arsh. So amazing work. Considering what you're doing it at this academic level, it's amazing. And so just want to check one thing only, Arsh. So like, so is it, as you mentioned, mobile, web? So is it you alone doing everything, or you're collaborating with someone and you as a team working on this project?
So basically, before I made this app, I actually took classes for 1 year, which was Dart language. Dart language to use in Flutter, which is Visual Studio Code. I built it there. So what I did was I built the foundation and the core concept. Everything I needed with my own skills, which I was able to do in 1 year and learn. So with that, I made a whole code. And then, since I was making it individually, I gave the code to the parts which were giving errors most probably, or needed some more refining or tuning. I gave that to ChatGPT. So from that, it came as a more refined product and everything. So basically, the whole thing was made by myself only. But before that, I took classes, and then I was able to make this app.
Amazing, very nice, very nice. And I like your vision, and you are clear in your mind what you want to do, and that's something that is very important. And God bless and keep up the good work.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arsh. And I think Arsh and Adam, I think you guys initially joined the challenge. Very early. Where I'm very enthusiastic and good that we are talking today, and I am able to see you. And best of luck. I know there are few people who want to do a demo, but it's already 90 minutes. But we will continue tomorrow. So if you don't mind, so for any closing thoughts, Dr. Jasim and Dr. and Murtaza, before we wind up, if you want to.
I'm good. Sorry, go ahead, Dr. Jasim.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
So I'm good, and really, I really, I would say I'm blessed on seeing these demos with these young kids and amazing work by all others as well. So, guys, amazing work, amazing progress that you are having it. Keep up the good work, and feel free to reach out whenever you think that if anything that we can add on to your progress.
First of all, thank you, Mohammed, for the invite, and really I am impressed with the outcome and the application, and especially the brilliant ideation of those application. I can echo Murtaza as well. Very impressed with the young generation on how they are thinking, and they are thinking now for their future and what they want to do in the future, and building something today to help them for their future journey. Thank you so much, and it's really a pleasure to be here with you, and for with you, with Murtaza and the competitors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. And yes, I know there were a few people who could not give the demo. We are going to continue our community meetup tomorrow. So first of all, I really personal thanks to Dr. Jasim and Murtaza to spend their evening, Friday evening with us and doing this demo. This was an idea that in the last challenge we did it. There was a good response. So we thought of doing this mid-challenge demo for all of you to take the input from Murtaza. Dr. Jasim tried to improve whatever you're building and whatever you're submitting on before Sunday, 11:45 p.m. So best of luck to everyone, and please get in touch with all of us if you have any specific questions or queries. Great day, and continue your work. Have a great evening, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Salam.